Now, if your problem didn't have any parentheses or brackets or absolute values symbols in it, and if your problem didn't have any exponents or radicals, you could start with multiplication and division. You could check that out to see if your problem has any multiplication and division. Now, multiplication and division can be done at the same time. They're opposite functions anyway, your multiplication facts and your division facts, and they have the same importance to each other. So you're going to basically do any multiplication or division, but you're going to have to do it from left to right. So you'll start over here on this side of your problem and then just work it across, doing multiplication and division as you come to them. That's not too hard to think about. If there are no multiplication and divisions in your problem, then we'll go on to the next one, which is the A and the S, the addition and subtraction. So this is done together, and this is also done at the same time. Addition and subtraction, again, from left to right. Let's make it subtraction. If you want to have your subtraction done first, which is really coming last in our series, we do subtraction last, but as soon as you put a parenthesis around it, it becomes a wild card. It says, do me first, do this first. Okay, do I have any parentheses? No. Are there any roots or exponents? No. Is there any multiplication or division? Oh, yes, there is, right here. So this part is done first. In this case, we would have 3/7. Then you would do any of your addition and subtraction. So this would be 2 take away 3/7. So we did our division first and named it as a fraction. And then we're going to do our subtraction, which means we would have to regroup our 2, rename it. I'll take the one that I'm breaking off and name it as 7/7. That way I can subtract 3/7 from it and get 4, and then this just gets 1. So we didn't have any parentheses, so we skipped it. There were no powers or roots, skipped it. The multiplication division, yep, we did have that. So that came before we finally did the subtraction. You're really kind of using the order of operations in a reverse order of how you learned it in school, because the most current things that you're learning would be your parentheses and brackets. Many of you may have not even heard of powers or roots at this point, but certainly multiplication and division, you learn that in like 3rd and 4th grade, and then addition and subtraction about 1st and 2nd grade. So you're going to be working in the most current thing that you're learning in school to the ones that you learned in the lower grades.